What if I told you that one of Seoul's most interesting restaurants is hidden behind a giant paintbrush? This doesn't look like a chicken restaurant. There's no familiar Kyochon sign, no delivery counter, and apparently no obvious entrance. But somewhere behind this brush is a secret restaurant that promises to turn Korea's most popular comfort food into a complete dining experience.
Today, Chef Moon is entering the secret world of Kyochon Pilbang in Itaewon.
Oh my God, this feels less like entering a chicken restaurant and more like discovering a secret Korean speakeasy. Pilbang traditionally refers to a place connected with calligraphy tool, and here, the brush isn't just decoration. It is the key to the restaurant. Pull the brush, and suddenly, the hidden door opens.
Till the sun's up Monday, we'll tell our phones, do not disturb, like I'm a straw hat babe. And you can finally
If you know, you know.
First welcome snack, popcorn.
Ready to eat.
But there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender. Baby, slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. 'Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it.
This is not the usual box of delivery chicken. The presentation is clean, dramatic, and almost theatrical, but the most important.
Yeah, the rooms, they're cheap. And if we don't wanna, we don't
진짜 레드 허니인데 이게 좀 매운 거예요. 그래서 이거 붓으로 소스 바르시면 돼요. 근데 여기 지금 허니 그리고 옥수수 맛은 소스가 발라져 있기 때문에 이 플레인 치킨들만 활용해서 소스 발라주시는 걸 추천드리고 저희 교촌 치킨은 실제 조리 과정에서 치킨의 소스를 붓으로 바르고 있어요. 그래서 처음 해보시라고 이렇게 제공해드리고 있고요. 그래서 저희가 필방이라는 컨셉으로 매장을 만들게 되었어요. 저기에 치킨뼈 버려주.
Listen to that crunch. The skin is incredibly crisp, but underneath, the meat is still juicy.
Let's try brush by sauce. Very interesting concept. Wow.
So, would I come here only because I'm hungry? Maybe not. But would I bring an overseas friend here for an unforgettable first Korean chicken experience?